So in this video I just want to talk a little bit about the STL files that is sent to me to print from some of the engineering students. And I just want to show you a few things here. Here you can see a print that is well designed. The wall thickness is thick enough. There's very few supports to the top. And everything looks fine. This is just maybe a sensor cover or something. This one as well. You can see the 3 supports there because, of course, the printer cannot print in the air. It must have something to support it. So this one also nice. This one not bad. Let's have a look at this one. You can see there are supports there in that part. But you can also see that these parts here, these 2 beams here, is basically floating. So they're on that support, they're not really connected to the main part here. So obviously, if you take the supports away, this will be loose parts. It will not be part of the main. So be aware of something like that. Here you can also see a nice design. You can see the brim around this. I print a brim so that they don't come loose from the bed. Here also a nice design. The same here. Let's have a look at this one. Here you can see, of course, you can see the brim is keeping it together. But as soon as we take the brim away, this part will be loose from that part because there was not enough material there. So beware of that. This one, you can see there's small supports underneath that, but it printed fine. This one you can see there wasn't supports there, and the reason for that was that those areas was too small there, so that the printer just go over them. You don't need support there on those small areas, and the same here for the circle, depending on the settings on the printer, when it must add support or not. And here you can also see a nice design, printed very well. This one also very nice, printed well. So this is typically the type of prints or type of designs that you will send to me. This one you can see the outer side is fine, but you can see that this part will probably be floating. So I'm not sure exactly what the idea was with this design, but that part will not be connected to the bottom part there. So yeah, I hope this helped. This is typically the type of designs that I expect. So the reason for this exercise is to get you just a little bit familiar with Fusion, so that you can use it in the future in your designs.